By using the quadratic formula or otherwise, find the exact solutions of the equation 1 over x is equal to 2x plus 3. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's lesson, I want us to look at how to solve quadratic equations using a formula method. Okay, so before we use the formula method, it's important that the equation is expressed in a quadratic form. Okay, so solution. So first thing, the equation should be expressed in this form: ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And our equation is 1 over x is equal to 2x plus 3. So how are we going to express this in quadratic form? Okay, so first thing, from the left hand side of the equation, you can see that here is there is a fraction. Okay, so whenever you see a fraction, it means the next step there is supposed to be cross multiplication. Okay, the next step should be cross multiplication. So if this is a fraction, it means even this one can be expressed as a fraction, meaning it's just over 1. So this is over 1. Okay, then we can cross multiply. We'll say this x will multiply 2x plus 3. Okay, so we say x times 2x plus 3. So it will be x. So we show multiplication by means of brackets. So x, and in brackets we have 2x plus 3. Then is equal to 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, 1 times 1 is 1. Then you expand this. How do you expand? Yes, we say x times 2x. Yes, it's 2x squared. X times 3, that is 3x. So plus 3x is equal to 1. Okay, now according to quadratic form, here in the right hand side of the equation we're supposed to have 0, so we don't need this one. So to get rid of this one, you subtract 1. So if you subtract 1 from this side, you also subtract 1 from the left hand side of the equation. So if you say minus 1 here, then you're going to have 0. Then this one we are going to have 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. Okay, so we have 2x squared plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is now quadratic form. Now since we have quadratic form, we can now determine the values of a, b, and d and c. Okay, so values now. What is the value of a? Yes, a is the coefficient of x squared, that is 2. And what's the value of b? Yes, b is 3. And the c? C is negative 1. Okay, so we are solving this quadratic equation by formula method. So here is the formula. I believe you know it. Here is the formula. Formula is x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so this is the simplest method, in the sense that you just substitute for a, b, and c. So we already know the values of a, b, and c. So you just substitute them in the equation. Okay, so x is equal to b. So we have minus b. What's the value of b? B is 3. So we have minus 3 plus or minus the square root. B squared, b is 3. So we have 3 squared minus 4. Okay, times a is what? A is 2 times c is what? C is negative 1. Then everything over 2a. So 2 times a. A is what? A is 2. Okay, so we have x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus the square root of, here we have 3 squared. 3 squared, that is 3 times 3, that is 9. Okay, here we have minus 4. Minus 4 times 2, minus 8. Minus 8 times minus 1. Minus multiplied by minus is positive, so that is plus. So minus 8 times minus 1, we are going to have plus 8. So plus 8. Then everything over 2 times 2, that is 4. So over 4. Okay, so this gives us x is equal to negative 3 plus or minus the square root. What is 9 plus 8? Yes, 9 plus 8 is 17. So 17 over 4. Okay, so we can see that we have plus or minus. So we are going to have two possible solutions. So x is equal to negative 3 plus the square root of 17 over 4, or x is equal to minus 3 and minus the square root of 17 over 4. Okay, so at this stage we can use a calculator to calculate. Okay, since this square root of 17 is not a perfect square, so let's just use a calculator. Okay, so we say x is equal to, okay, let's use the calculator. So we have negative 3, that is minus 3, okay, minus 3 plus square root of 17. So first we need to work out what is on top there, the numerator, then divide by 4. So minus 3 plus square root of 17. You have your answer there. Then you say divide by 4. Okay, divide by 4. So you get 0.280776406. Okay, then we come to this one. Here we have minus 3. We have minus 3. Again minus square root of 17. So you work out what's on top first. So minus 3 minus square root of 17. We have our answer there. Then we say divide by 4. Divide by 4. So you get negative 1.780776406. Okay, so we can round off our solutions to 3 significant figures. So we have x is equal to, so to 3 significant figures here, 3 significant figures will be at what digit? So this is 1, 2, 3. So at 0 here. Then you look at the next digit. If the next digit is 5 and above, then you add a 1. So we are going to have 0.281. Okay, or x is equal to, so here 3 significant figures will stop at what? Okay, will be at 8. So this is 1, 2, 3, at 8 there. Then you look at the next digit. If the next digit is 5 and above, you add the 1. If less than 5, you just get rid of the undesired digits. So you just stop at 8, since the next digit is less than 5. Okay, so negative 1.78. Okay, so those are the two solutions. So this is how you do calculations regarding a quadratic formula. Okay, thank you so much for your time.